Thank you, everybody. Thanks, all of my friends of MMDC Club. And today in the MMDC Club, we have discussed the two topics in interpersonal skill and my happiest day in my life. Actually, I preferred interpersonal skill because uh, what is the concept of interpersonal skill we should have known uh, uh, because it is most important. And most of the speaker spoke on that topics. What I observed is that in our breakout room, uh, I felt somewhere that it is a very common topics. Everyone we use it, but we do not know actually. We do not know what is actually the meaning of interpersonal skill is. The interpersonal skill, there are so many speakers speaking on that forum, on that platform of MMDC Club. They are using so many good words, good language, but the key point is that interpersonal skill is simply the skill of communication between me with others, and how to convince others with my views. And we can search the Googles. There are so many good words, good phrases are there about interpersonal skill. But very simple fact is that if you do not have any interpersonal skill, how to convince other people by your own speech, by your own view, then you are failed to communicate with others, and then you are not a good interpersonal skill. You have not a good interpersonal skill, and so the interpersonal skill is very simple concept. I am telling you that a drop of water is also water, and an ocean of water is also water. If you think that water is just like ocean, it is not just like a drop, that is another thing. Interpersonal skill, if you speak with so many language, so many words, it can be used, it can be spoken. But the most simple thing is that interpersonal skill is the skill between the communicating skill between people and you and me. And if I fail to communicate with others with my views, then we do not have any interpersonal skill. When skill word is used here, that means your ability to and capacity to convince others with your own views. And I have given some a very simple examples here, that the salesman or hawkers who are selling their product, we never seen that product, but after their speech we are ready to buy some product from him. And how we are convinced? A hawker just give a new product to me, and he is speaking continuously about that product, and after listening his speech, I am convinced to buy the product. And that is interpersonal skill. Whatever language you are giving it to, whatever language you are taking from searching from Google's, that is immaterial. The key point is that how you can convince others, whether it is a interview board, whether there are thousands of audience in front of you, whether it is in your office, whether in your society, whether it is here. Whenever we are coming closer, any two persons or any person to persons, there are some purpose. That is purpose, that you are delivering something and they are receiving something, or they will deliver something and you are receiving something, and by the way of speech. And so if you are not if you are not efficient, skillful in your speech, in your attitude, in your movement, in your judgment, in your concept, and you can, if you can convince, you cannot convince others by your all those things, your movement, your speech, your concept, your depth on that matter, then you are failed to communicate with others. And to successfully communicating with others by your own speech, your behavior, your movement, your attitude is called interpersonal skill. Now you can collect it, you can give some good words, good phrase about that interpersonal skills, what is interpersonal skill, why it is necessary, etc., etc., and so on. That is another thing, that is immaterial. The most important thing is to know what interpersonal skill is, and if you once know it, then it is not necessary to make so many words. It is since we are learning English, it is necessary, but first we have to know what actually interpersonal skill is. Communicating skill and interpersonal skill is almost similar, but communicating skill is relates with society, and interpersonal skill is relates with the people to people, person to person. I mean, with me, with other person. If I have no in this world, interpersonal skill is too important and most important, because without interpersonal skill, anybody cannot cannot move further, cannot go to the higher level. A leader, a leader should have a good interpersonal skill. A hawker, a salesman, a businessman, all there, they should have a good interpersonal skills, and it will automatically grow if you, the key point of this is how the customer wants, how the listener wants, what they actually require, and all these things. It is a what is called you have to research on that. And interpersonal skills are different of different peoples. And if I communicate with Mr. A, I should communicate with his behavior, with his attitude. We have to judge and guess the behavior, attitude of Mr. A, and presumption or assumption about what you call, and then we should approach. If we communicate with Mr. X, then I have to study the behavior and approach, behavior and attitude of Mr. X and his position, because he may be a officer and Mr. A may be a businessman. So it is depends on your perceptions, your assumption on that people, how to communicate with people. Because if you want to communicate with others with the same manner, same way, you will be completely failed. So a great discussion about interpersonal skill, and we have all, I think we have all finally clear about what is interpersonal skill, and that is the importance of MMDC club. MMDC club is raising topics every day, a very amazing topics, and it was initially hazy concept of all of us, but after discussion with so many peoples, it is being clear, crystal clear. And so yeah, MMDC is doing a great job. Thank you. Very good night to all of you. Thank you, my friends, for joining us, and try to join the meeting every day, and so that we can communicate with others, we can discuss with the topics, and it will be helpful to all of us. Thank you. And thank you, Amit sir, for doing the great job, and Shreya ma'am also doing their Bhanita also for their great contribution every day. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Good night to all of you. Thank you.